My favourite things about having studied dance movement therapy or dance movement therapy in general is the new perspective that I received by engaging with my body in the way that the training encouraged me to do. The process of learning my preferences and understanding that movement is so individual and at the same time also reflective of the social, historical and cultural contexts in which we live. It really helps me to build a healthy relationship with myself. I particularly loved learning about group theory and how the relationships and dynamics within a group can be embodied within movement processes. If you were going to be coming into the course today, one of the things that I would, or you were going to be doing dance movement therapy in general, one of the things that I would tell you is that the course or doing dance movement therapy isn't just doing a thing or learning a particular type of training. It's an embodied process, and you come to understand not only how you move through the world, but it also invites this curiosity around how you move in relationship with yourself and how you move in relationship with others.